And now we've talked about that 3 to 5x improvement. That's in performance. What does that mean for the business?
Yes, what it means for the business is essentially three big things. One is the most experienced engineers that understand the system deep enough to be able to do optimizations are now available to do something that is productive and changes and adds features or capabilities. The second thing that it does, it clearly reduces costs, making sure that the cost of running the services is lower and continues to stay at the lowest possible value. So the finance department is happy, making sure that the margins of the company are working well. And there's knowledge that this is the cheapest it can get to meet that performance. And then the third thing is the things that come as a result of that optimization is you have an application that is more stable, better responsive with better customer experience. And what we have found is that after applications are optimized and stay in continuous optimization, they have significantly improved uptime as well.
Okay.
Yeah, and if I can expand on that, it also, people typically find a peace of mind knowing that their application is running at their optimal settings and at the optimal cost, which is nice to have when you look at your cloud spend bill and kind of wonder, well, that's a large number here. Am I using that money in a smart way? Is there room for improvement? So there's some peace of mind that comes with knowing that for sure.
And it is also complementary to the way people optimize. In general, normal kind of before cloud, the main optimization was, you improve your code, you change the way your queries are formed, you change your algorithms, you restructure your algorithms to minimize the bottlenecks. And that is something that for now only humans can do, essentially, write new code, change the way the code is done. But as a result, this is a very expensive undertaking. And with machine optimizations of the configuration, you get two kind of additional benefits. One is that everything that is possible to get from configuration and not having to do algorithm optimizations, you can get. So you get the 2 to 3x sometimes just for the asking, just turning on machine optimization, and you get that significant improvement that's almost impossible sometimes to get through code changes. And then similarly, you know that if you need additional performance, then there's no more configuration to be squeezed out. Kind of going back to what Pavel said, is you now know that you are running at the optimal configuration. So the only changes if you need more performance, you need to add more resources or you need to change your code. So that clarity in the engineering organization sometimes is really hard to get because people guess as they don't know the exact performance characteristics. So having the optimization in place allows you to have a clarity of deciding when you need to do some changes to the algorithm and kind of involve human to make these changes.